Today, I'll walk you through how to check Snapchat Friends of Friends, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to navigate through Snapchat to discover mutual connections, so you can expand your social circle and connect with new people. To get started first, open your Snapchat app on your device. This is the colorful ghost icon that you usually tap to send snaps and chat with friends. If you don't see it on your home screen, you can search for it in your app drawer. Once you have the app open, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can manage your settings and view your friends. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates frequently and the layout may vary. Next, scroll down until you reach the Add Friends section. This is where you can find options to add new friends and see suggestions based on your existing connections. Take your time here, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. In this section, you'll be able to see some of your friends who have mutual friends with you. Snapchat will highlight these connections, making it easier for you to discover who you might want to connect with. Think of this like a social web, where each friend is a thread connecting you to new people. Now that you know how to check Snapchat Friends of Friends, you can explore these connections further. This feature is a great way to meet new people who share similar interests or are part of your extended social network. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.